Hi, welcome to Vietsound channel. Today we are going to cover the T sound in Vietnamese. So are you ready? Let's get started. So to pronounce the T sound in Vietnamese, you have to do three things. First, remember that the T sound is an aspirate sound. So when you pronounce the T sound, you have to push the air out of your mouth. The second thing you have to remember that when you say the T sound, tip of your tongue should touch the gum bridge. Don't put the tongue out of your mouth. Your tongue should be touch the gum bridge and right behind the upper teeth. And the third thing you have to remember that the T sound is a soft sound, so your tongue should be relaxed and soft. Okay, so let's try to say the T sound. Now let's practice some words with the T sound. The first word is ta. Remember that you have to push the air out of your mouth so that other people can hear the air pushing out of your mouth. That's the key point of the T sound. T, tu, thư, thiên, thiêng, thiếu, thủ thị, thật thà, thẳng thắn, thập thò, thong thả, thi thoảng, thể thao, thu thích thể thao. Now let's try to say it a little bit faster. Thu thích thể thao. Thành thẳng thắn thật thà. Now let's say it a little bit faster. Thành thẳng thắn thật thà. Okay, you've done very well. If you want to download the textbooks, get the link in the description. Or if you want to make donation from me, so get the information in the description. Thank you for watching.